See, we've just brought them. Now we are yet to interrogate them. The team has just come and all that. We need to produce them in court. Thorough interrogation will start after some time, and we will confirm a lot of facts and all that. Though we've got adequate evidence against all the accused, in 7 days' time we cobbled up a few of the evidence. Now thorough interrogation, and then further evidence will come out.
Some fake news and rumors have been spread for this murder case. But as the actual investigation for the Meghalaya police and the times.
See, I would request news agencies to refrain from fake news or to just corroborate things, because versions could be different from different accused and all that. Until we get the facts of the matter, then we will be able to say something. Get the facts from us only. Okay, and facts will come out after we do a thorough interrogation, after we corroborate things, because versions could be different from different accused and all that. Until we get the facts of the matter, then we will be able to say something. Like in the beginning, we had after the second, we cobbled up whatever evidence we had, and which directed us to the accused. Investigation will progress now, and if any more accused or anybody involved in all that, we will progress in that direction also.
Any confirmation, sir, कि सोनम ने इसको कबूल किया कि वो इस मर्डर में शामिल है या उनके द्वारा किया गया कुछ?
That we will confirm after a few days.
It's not confirmed yet.
No, we have adequate evidence of her involvement, but regarding the whole picture of how much is her involvement, what is her involvement, what did she do, those will come after a few days.
Yes.
Okay.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.